Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Digital word present words meaning in Urdu. Class 4th Dharavi TC Municipal Urdu School number 1. Word come meaning आना. Word go meaning जाना. Word fast meaning तेज. Word slow meaning धीमा. Word good meaning अच्छा. Word bad meaning बुरा. Word first meaning पहला. Word last meaning आखरी. Word song meaning गीत. Word run meaning दौड़ना. Word now meaning अब. Word cry meaning रोना. Word not meaning नहीं. Word make meaning बनाना. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Digital Word and visit my blog zohanimazblogpost.in.